guys? It's your boy Fragrance Journey and
Future Journey.
Today we're doing another fragrance battle. Somebody in the comment sections asked me to do a fragrance battle between two incense fragrances. Both I really love. One of them is kind of new to my collection. One of them I've had for a while. So we decided to go ahead and shoot that video. The first fragrance we're gonna talk about is from the house of Chapel Factory. This one is Holy Stick. This one is pretty new to my collection. What's wrong?
I just love the name Holy Stick.
Oh yeah, that joint's crazy. But hopefully I have more bottles from this collection soon to review and speak about. It's definitely an under spoken of house and one that I think should definitely get more talk.
It's also new. It came out in 2020.
Yeah, it's pretty new. What you got?
I have Malaga Santa.
Malaga Santa.
This is a great incense fragrance that the comment wanted a battle between, so we're gonna make that happen. Oriza
El
Legrand. That's the perfumer. This is actually a rebottle / re-release of a fragrance. It's a re-release of Rev Dosan. Ducian. Hold on. Yeah.
Rev Dosan.
That Rev Dosan. I can't even say it. But that fragrance dropped in 2012. But yeah, you just want to get into it?
Yeah, let's go over your notes right quick.
All right. So the notes for Rev Dosan is incense, pine tree, aldehydes,
Spray a little bit more than that. There you go.
elemi, benzoin, cinnamon, aponax,
Oh,
gaiac.
Popinax.
I
Popinax.
got a little thing on the screen,
Oh, okay.
so I missed it.
Popinax.
Popinax, gaiac wood, and tonka bean, and then at the base it's sandalwood, labdanum, amber, musk, and leather.
Wow.
Ooh,
That joint popping. That joint's crazy.
This smells like a fresh incense stick.
Oh my god. It's got that slight spiciness and some hints of sweetness. Man. But the woods and the pine give it like this woody green, slightly. Oh man, it's like a slightly woody green vibe with sweetness, but the incense is like you're in a Catholic church and they are. I'm not sure what the thing is called, but when they put the incense in that container and they shake it.
I don't know. I've never seen that before.
I've seen it before. I can't recall what it's called though, the device that they're shaking, but they put the incense in this like thing.
Oh, is it kind of like a lantern thing and it like shakes and it like
Yeah, but they
shakes
shake
back?
it. Yeah, it's crazy, man.
Oh, so okay, so
Oh man, that's straight up church incense.
yes,
right there, bro.
the original fragrance, Rev Dosan. Say,
Hold
do
on.
it one more time.
Let's go.
Rev Dosan.
That translates to Ocean's Dream. But this is Malaga Santa, which is their re-release.
And why did they re-release it? Because they did it for a
It's a limited edition.
Holy Week for.
Because this fragrance evokes the smell of the streets of Malaga during Holy Week. And
Okay.
Malaga is a city in Spain.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure there's a big crazy chapel there as well.
I'm Spanish. What? I was born in Spain, bro.
Okay.
Was I not born in Spain? Was I not born in Spain? Huh?
Hola, papá.
No, I ain't speaking no Spanish, bro.
Me duele la cabeza horriblemente. La visión se me nubla como un potitos blancos.
I was about to say me no English. Me just speaking no English. I'm terrible.
But yeah, for $70 for 50 mil, you can't beat this incense.
Yeah, that's nice. I think I'm about to
Can't
kill
beat it.
your season though.
The people already know
What?
what you got.
The people already know what I got. What do you mean?
Yeah.
Let's see. People don't know about this right here.
No, we did a whole review on it.
But I don't hear nobody else talking about it.
So
They don't know.
But the viewers know.
Okay.
The loyal know.
I don't know. They about tit for tat, to be honest.
Cheryl knows.
Oh man. The only Okay, let's go over the notes for. Let's go over the notes for Chapel Factory. Holy Stick is cardamom, elemi, clove, incense, cedar, petitgrain, palo santo, gaiac wood, benzoin, amber, and patchouli. Has way less notes in that. I think you like that more.
I like Malaga Santo.
You do?
But I'm saying that to be biased.
Oh man, the one thing about this fragrance is it's really good on the incense, but the woods are crazy. Dude, that you can't tell me. Just smell the woods in there, bro.
It smells like wet wood.
I know that Palo Santo is insane, bro.
Yeah.
That note is crazy in there.
It's great.
The incense is not as crazy as that, though.
No, it's not. But oh, I really like Holy Stick. This brings me back to the review.
The incense is great, but the elemi, the cardamom, the clove, the Palo Santo, the cedar. I mean, the gaiac wood and cedar. The woods in this just, oh man. The incense with the woods in this are just so elite. That one to me, I don't know. It's a tough one.
Now, is this a fragrance battle or an incense battle?
This is an incense / fragrance battle.
We can't. There can't be both.
What do you mean?
Because if it's incense, then
Oh gosh, damn.
then we decide who wins by whose incense is better.
Oh, okay.
Whose
Let's
incense
just do
note is
fragrance
better.
battle. So, who do you think the winner is between the two fragrances? I got mine in my hand. I think I killed your season, bro.
You know, this is a close one.
That joint's crazy though.
Malaga Santo is wonderful.
Let me smell it one more time.
It's,
Oh man, that's
I'm gonna go.
that is a true gem, dude.
Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna go with Malaga Santo. I think it wins on bottling.
And I'm going with Chapel Factory, Holy Stick. That's what I'm riding with. Just the woods, man. Just the woods.
Wait. How much is Chapel Factory?
110, I think.
Oh yeah, it's $70 for a 50 ml. That's
It's 100 mil though.
oh
For
ooh.
110, 100 mil for 110. I mean, ZGO Perfumery is 110 plus shipping. I think the total is gonna come out to like 130. But I'm telling you, either one of these fragrances, if you get them, you're not gonna smell like anybody else.
No, there's you don't like. This is not smelling like.
I promise you, there's nobody in Collierville, Tennessee smelling like this. Or that. Nobody smelling like that.
No, maybe a few people. Maybe
Who?
there's got to be a few connoisseurs, a few frag heads spread out, but they probably live in like the legends or something.
Just the blends on the woods and Chapel Factory, Holy Stick is just crazy. But the blend on the incense and the green notes and the woods and Malaga Santo are crazy too. So
I feel like both of these fragrances take incense and then have their own spin to it. Like
Yes,
that one focuses
yes,
more on
yes.
the woods. This one brings out more of the incense. But
with green and woody notes.
exactly, the green and woody support the incense more when the incense supports the woody more on that one.
Yes, definitely. But that's just a quick video, a quick fragrance battle. Somebody in the comment section again said that they want to see that battle, so we definitely want to get that video out for them. I think the next video coming up will probably be like, maybe we'll do like a top 5 fragrances in our collection that women can pull off.
We could do, yeah.
I've had ladies in the comment section ask for like a female type unisex video, so we'll definitely shoot that one next and get that one out for all the ladies. If you can, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. If you woke up today, you're definitely winning.
Let us know in the comments what other fragrance battles you want to see. I kind of like the idea of the fragrance battle series, so let us know if you want to see Chloe and Lamar versus LDDM. Or
Chloe and Lamar.
Yeah.
I get you.
Or Ferrari versus Animal Mundane, like the most whatever fragrances you want to see battle.
Ferrari.
Yeah, you know the Ferrari fragrances.
Who got that?
I'll invest in a Ferrari
Nah, bruh.
for the video.
We're gonna do a what video?
A fragrance battle video
With
between
a Ferrari fragrance?
Yeah, if that's what you want to see in the comments, let us know. Let us know if you want to see whatever battles you want to see. We'll try to make it happen. But
Niche versus niche.
designer versus niche.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
I know what you want, YSL. Bring your bring it. Bring your YSL so I can beat the brakes off.
Look,
of
you're
it.
gonna bring L'air du Désert du Marocain,
Metal King.
but like, comment, subscribe, share. You got anything else?
Nah, I'm good. We out. Peace. You
Deuces.
wink?
I already winked.
You did?
Yeah.
Wink again.